Where am I? This isn't the Microsoft Agent Scripting Helper.
You are both correct. This is neither. This is the Universal Character Scripting Helper.
Woo! Wait. So this is like a hybrid.
You would be correct, Merlin. This program supports Microsoft Agent characters, the majority of Microsoft Actor characters, as well as Microsoft Bot prop files.
It does have a lot more to it than both the Microsoft Agent Scripting Helper and the toolkit. That hide all button up there is pretty convenient, as well as the pitch and speed options in the speak window.
And that's not all. Let's explore some of these new features. Let's start with the SpeakWave and Sing windows. As you can see, the SpeakWave now supports a YouTube link.
So you mean I can just put a YouTube link and have it converted to Wave and have me speak it?
Spot on, Merlin. Go ahead, try it with one I have ready for you.
Woo! Cool.
Yep. Though as it uses it DLP, you will need to be connected to the internet, of course. Glad you asked, Rover. For agents, the Sing menu has improved from MASH.
Is that a piano with notes?
Yes, you can still use the old way of putting in syllables and notes, or you could put a syllable and then click the piano and then add to script.
Awesome. Wait, what is that MACE module?
Well, there's a lot of out modules, but the MACE module in particular is an embedded version of the Microsoft Agent Character Editor in UCSH and will function as long as you have MACE installed.
So, modules are essentially extensions? Can people make their own?
Yes, people will be able to make their own at some point in the future as the program is further developed. Currently, there is a sample module available under Modules with source code. The example one is the date and time module, as you can see here. The current date is 04/26/2026. See? This is an output from it.
Incredible. So, does everything on the side work? Like the map text engines, the properties viewer, and so on?
Yes, everything should work, although since this is a beta there will likely be a bug or two that needs to report it, with some features like sound effect spine planned on extended in the future. As for stuff like text-to-speech engines, you will of course need to have the text-to-speech engine installed for it to work.
Great, I'll be trying it out then.
You bet it is. The link will be in the description. If anyone encounters a bug, feel free to report it on the forums link below.